how to create AI videos for free, and actually finish a complete professional video without hitting a paywall at minute 3. Welcome to TechWise, where we test real AI tools and show you what they can actually do. Subscribe if you want workflows that work, not wish lists. Every other tutorial on this topic makes the same promise and then breaks it. They show you a tool that is free for exactly 5 exports, or free until you want HD resolution, or free as long as you do not mind a watermark the size of a billboard covering your footage. This video is different. Today you are getting the exact workflow, tested, verified, and 100% free, that produces a finished, polished AI video from script to export. No subscriptions, no watermarks, no tricks. And the most important thing to understand before we touch a single tool, the reason most people fail at AI video creation has nothing to do with which tool they use. It has everything to do with skipping the storyboard. Here is the problem nobody talks about. You open an AI video generator, type a prompt, and get a stunning 5-second clip. You generate another, and another. Each one looks incredible on its own. But when you put them together, the character changes face between scenes, the lighting shifts completely, and the result looks like 3 different videos stitched together at random. That is not a tool problem, that is a workflow problem, and fixing it takes 10 minutes at the start of the process, not hours of frustration at the end. The solution is a 2-phase approach, image first, then animation. Before you generate a single video clip, use a free image generation tool, Gemini or any open model, to lock your visual style. Generate 5 to 8 reference images that define your character, your environment, your color palette, and your lighting direction. Save them. These are your visual anchors. Every video clip you generate from that point forward gets prompted with a reference to those anchors. Same character, same setting, same light. Consistency is not a feature of the tool. It is a discipline in the workflow. Now let's build the actual system. 3 tools, each with a specific role, all completely free. Tool 1, Kling AI for video generation. Kling offers a genuinely free tier with no watermark on standard exports, and the motion quality on landscape and environmental shots is among the best available at 0 cost. The free tier gives you enough credits to produce a full short-form video or a strong batch of clips for a longer piece. The key is prompt specificity. Vague prompts produce generic footage. Precise prompts, camera angle, movement direction, lighting condition, duration, produce usable footage. I will drop the exact prompting framework I use for Kling in the description below, so you can copy it directly. Tool 2. Meta AI or Google Gemini for image anchoring and script generation. Both are free, both are powerful, and together they cover the 2 tasks that slow most creators down: building the visual storyboard and writing the narration. Use one session to generate your reference images, and a second session to structure your script into scene-by-scene prompts. This is where things get interesting, because this step eliminates the single biggest time drain in AI video production. Most creators write a script, then figure out the visuals. The correct order is the opposite. Define your visual scenes first, then write narration that fits them. That alignment is what makes the final edit feel cohesive instead of assembled. Tool 3. CapCut for editing and export. Free, no watermark on standard exports, and the AI features inside CapCut: auto captions, beat sync, noise reduction. Do in 2 minutes what used to take a full editing session. Import your clips, set your cut points to the beat of your background track, add captions, and export. The full workflow from blank page to finished video takes between 90 minutes and 3 hours depending on length. That is the honest number, not the 10 minutes promised in other tutorials. But this is only half the story, because there is one more problem the competition completely ignores. What happens when a tool does add a watermark? Not every free tier is equal, and not every credit lasts as long as the tutorial claims. The answer is not to use temporary emails to hack extra credits. That approach is tedious, unreliable, and increasingly blocked by platforms. The answer is crop strategy. Most watermarks are placed in corners or along the bottom edge. A simple crop to a 9:16 or 16.9 frame removes them entirely without affecting the central footage. CapCut handles this in under 30 seconds. And for tools that embed watermarks in the center of the frame, avoid them entirely. There are enough genuinely free options in 2026 that you never need to compromise your output quality for a logo. Here is the complete system in sequence. Generate reference images to lock your visual style, build your scene list and script around those visuals, generate video clips in Kling using precise prompts tied to your anchors, edit and sync in CapCut, and export clean. That is how to create AI videos for free, not as a list of tools, but as a repeatable production system you can run every single week. The gap between creators who produce one video and give up, and creators who build a consistent channel, is not talent or budget. It is having a system that works every time. And now you have one. The exact prompting framework I used for every clip in this video is in the pinned comment below. Copy it, test it, and tell me in the comments which tool gave you the best results.